do you have just, this is a question that I've basically already asked you, but just kind of in summary, if you were to leave this with somebody, again, why would you, what are just some, in summary, the reasons that you would recommend that people make sure that they start that process sooner than later and get properly set up with their estate plan?
Well, I would say, we've been talking about the probate process and the extra time and money it may take, and sometimes, causing a delay. One thing we didn't talk about was actually considering using what we call revocable trusts. Having a revocable trust actually avoids the probate process, empowers a trustee to essentially sell property immediately after somebody passes away, or even in a situation where somebody's incapacitated. And so that's another facet of an estate plan that can actually make the sale of real estate or the purchase of real estate a lot easier and faster without some of the issues that we talked about previously when something has to go through probate. So it's a holistic process where we kind of look at what people own. Obviously, we look at whether or not they own real estate, and we point out these considerations, and we tell them whether or not they should consider having a trust to avoid probate and avoid these issues for their family. Or we just try to educate them that either the titling or the fact that the asset is going to be in their estate after they die could cause extra time or extra cost in administering this type of real estate. So having an estate planning attorney to advise them of these considerations allows clients to make an educated decision, whether it's investment real estate or whether it's their personal real property.
Right. All right. Well, that's my recommendation. If you own real estate, you should look into setting up your estate plan so that things are set up in the way you want them to go should something happen to you. And if you want to get in touch with Alessandro, we'll get you in touch. Do either of you guys have anything else you want to add?
No, I think that's it. Thank you both for having me.